Hello, up for auction is this Singer Model 99. It was made in 1927. It's in pretty good shape for being 92 plus years old. Comes in the bent wood case with a 1927 published Shortcuts to Sewing. Still a relevant read. A couple tools. The key to the bent wood box is included and it works fine. This one has this lever here that you can operate with your knee. It does operate well. The light does work. It's a very nice looking model, this Model 99. You can see the pictures for more up-close details, but the chrome and the lacquer is still quite good. Let's take a look at this briefly as it runs. It's got a scroll design. Okay, and you would just push your leg against this bar here. It does run quite well, actually, both in slow and fast speed. So as you can see, it does run well. It has a newer cord and some elements have been replaced on it. Thanks for looking. Take care.